You know, this weekend, one of the largest annual pet adoption events will once again take place with dozens of animals looking for their forever homes.
That's right. It's called Meet Your Friend at the Law Firm, and it's a partnership with the Mike Morse Law Firm and the Michigan Humane. Now, joining us to share more about the event, of course, you got to have Mike Morse with you. There he is, and Dr. Crystal Sapp, the Vice President of Veterinary Medicine with Michigan Humane. And of course, we can't forget Jessi, Mike's dog.
Yep.
If your dog falls asleep, I'm going to consider it a win. That means that she's comfortable here.
She's been on this couch a few times.
I know. This is awesome. Well, thank you guys so much for being with us.
Pleasure.
But Mike, I'm going to start with you. You know, you support so much about people finding pets for new homes, and it's something that you've been vocal about for years. Why is this so important to you and so near to your heart?
I mean, Jessi is one of my daughters, right? This is my fourth child. I've had two dogs in my life, both from Michigan Humane. Amazing pets, smart, loyal, healthy. And I've gotten to know Michigan Humane. There's so many things about Michigan Humane that most people don't know, and we're starting actually a new information campaign with them because they do way more than just adopt out pets. But now we're talking about adoption events. We're having Michigan's largest ever adoption event this Saturday. I'm super excited. We're going to have over 300 pets to make people's homes complete.
Yeah.
And you mentioned earlier before we came back on the phrase that we all like to say because we adopted a dog. Her name's Layla. We like to say adopt, don't shop.
It's so important.
Yeah.
Don't you agree?
Yeah, absolutely. Pets help make our lives healthier, and there's plenty of them ready and willing to join everybody's homes.
And so there is over 100 animals up for adoption at this event?
300.
Over 300.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do people need to know when they come into, and it's got to be overwhelming a little bit to try to choose your pet from over 300, but I think at least in our situation, I just had this feeling of like, I know this is the one. Like you just kind of feel it, right?
So Matt Pepper has this thing, like if you have a big enough heart, just show up early, because people tend to line up at the parking lot at my law firm. Like last year, somebody told me 4 a.m., somebody was there, 8 a.m.
wow.
It starts at 10 this Saturday. And what kind of credentials do you need? I don't even know what kind of credentials you need. Do you need anything?
No, just bring yourself and your family and be ready to open your heart.
And there is, you know, there are 10 vendors. There is a small charge, but the Mike Morse Law Firm is paying for one person to get a free animal, and you have to register by noon today.
Okay.
At 855mikewins.com, Facebook, Instagram. I would have gotten in trouble if I didn't say that. Yes. But there's going to be over 300 pets, which is last year we did 191, and within an hour.
Wow.
So you just got to be patient. You got to come a little early, come with an open heart. And it's my favorite day of the year because, like, I think I've cried every year because you're watching new families form in front of your eyes, and there's older pets there. I watched a 12-year-old dog that nobody really wanted found their forever home in my parking lot. I feel chills just talking about it. It was so beautiful. And something magical happens in this parking lot. And
beautiful.
Lots of animals find new homes. I mean, almost every single one, I think, gets adopted.
Yep. Yeah, it runs from 10 to 1. And like Mike said, we had all of our families met homes
It's amazing.
very quickly last year.
That's awesome. So, Dr. Sapp, would you say that there's anything in particular we need to think about? Because we want to make a good home for our new family member. Anything we should be thinking about when we make the decision?
Just considering, you know, what is your lifestyle like? Would a dog or a cat be better? Would an adult versus an adolescent be better? And what are your goals for that animal with your family?
Okay, so remind everyone of the location and the time, and that you need to register to be able to attend.
It's at the Mike Morse Paw Firm this Saturday, 10 to 1. Get there early. I'll be there. My mom will be there. Tons of my staff will be there. We're giving away lots of swag, like fun leashes and bowls and bandanas and all kinds of fun toys. And there'll be lots of vendors there and lots of people there. And we invite everybody.
It's going to be a great time. Thank you so much. For more information, you can go to the Mike Morse webpage at 855mikewins.com and follow the link at the top of the page. And of course, the Mike Morse Law Firm wants to help you if you need legal help as well. Again, that website is 855mikewins.com, or call the same 855-MIKE-WINS to find out if you have a case. We'll be right back.